Hiya, I'm going to explain one of the totems on Kindedge.com. Totems are objects that carry meaning so that when you do all this strategic planning and work in order to drive your goals forward, to achieve big life change, big life transformation, to spend your remaining life minutes differently than you've been doing in the past, even when all the trains in your life have already left the station. You need these totems to sit on your desk as a coffee mug, or to be a t-shirt or a keychain that reminds you of your wise words when you get into your busy day and just kind of the default mode, your old habits, the old demands just take over. So you need that energy and that drive and that trigger to push harder through patterns that already exist. So one of the coffee mugs I made for myself is I am my best bet, because I needed that message as the antidote to always hedging my bets. And I have found myself secretly hedging my bets even when I thought I was driving forward. I was always making 3 backup plans. And it's okay to be conservative. It's okay to be safe. But what you must recognize is all of those backup plans consume your time. And you actually suffocate the big goal, because all of these responsible backup plans kind of eat your day, eat your time, eat your attention, eat your money. And you say, well, that other primary goal that really matters to me, that big change, that big idea, that big passion project, is kind of on hold because I'm busy keeping all of these other balls in the air, because these are the responsible tasks. And I would just suggest, if you have a passion in you that has been kind of muted by all of the normal, responsible things that you're doing in your day, I would say find a way to go a little bit harder on giving that a full try. And if it fails, it fails, but you have tested whether that could be a possibility versus hedging your bets until your dreams are dead. It's good to be safe and planful. It's not good to kill dreams. You've only got so many minutes left on this earth. I'm dying and so are you. And you have the opportunity to take a little bit more risk in order to unlock the alternate ending to your life. Please join me on Kindedge.com and check out some of these totems. You can read the description in the product description, and you'll get the mindset for each of the totems and what they mean, what they're supposed to drive through your day, and what old mindsets and habits they are there to be the antidote to. So you are your best bet. And always hedging your bets is dousing the special secret sauce in you.